guys, welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I'm back with another wig from one of my favorite hair brands, LuvMe Hair. I know like LuvMe can be controversial. Some people love them, some people hate them, but I love them personally. Two of my cousins recently just got married and they both wore LuvMe Hair wigs, and like the first one, I didn't even know she had on a LuvMe Hair. She had to tell me. It looked amazing. But anyways, let's get into this unit. So this wig is a bob 5x5 closure wig with undetectable HD lace. Cannot get this net off. It's like sticking to me. And while I've noticed that a lot of hair brands have been taking this route of like really throw it on and go type of wigs, LuvMe, they didn't really say that's what they were going for real. I mean, obviously that's what they were going for because it's pre-done and everything, but they really brought it. This is what I'm talking about. I want to see if you're telling me a wig is throw it on and go. Now the lace is not pre-cut, but that's okay because everything else is done. Like I mentioned, it is undetectable HD lace. You see that? What lace? I guess you don't see it. And the knots already come pre-bleached for us. And it's a 5x5 closure, so even though they pre-part it for you on the side with this unit, you can switch it to a middle part. It's even pre-styled. Like, this is what I'm talking about. It's made to be worn glueless, so it does have the adjustable strap in the back, which is removable if you don't want that in there. And then of course you do have your combs on the sides and in the back. My prediction with this is that I'll probably have to just pluck it out a little bit more to fit on my head, but the pre-pluck job on this is amazing. It's gradient, it looks like it's been plucked, and I might not even have to pluck it. Like, we'll see what I'm putting on my head.
So first things first, I'm gonna start by taking off this kinky straight V part so we can get started. I'm gonna brush my leave out back and put it under my wig cap. I did do 2 wig caps. I typically always do 2 wig caps unless my hair is like braided down so it really lays flat. And then I tinted the cap using my powder foundation from L'Oreal True Match, and then I just popped the wig on. It did have an elastic band in it. Obviously we talked about that, but you know, it's pretty much done. Like, this was a very easy wig. I did end up, you know, plucking it out just because my forehead, like I lay my wigs kind of right on my hairline. So that illusion of scalp, which is really people's foreheads most of the time, I don't really have that. So I did go ahead and pluck a little bit more just to make it look more natural on my head. Quick 2 sprays. These are my Ebon Lace spray in the red can. I'm running low, so I'm about ready to try the black can finally. It's been like a year using this can, honestly. But hey, it gets the job done. No complaints about the red can for me. So once I put the wig on, I did go ahead and brush it back, and the sides weren't fully down, so I added a little more spray just right to the little corners right there. And then again, pushing the hair back because it well, just push the hair back for me. Like, it's just nice. Use the elastic band that they sent me in the package. It's a cute little cheetah print, or is it leopard? I can't tell the difference. Either way, it got my wig laying down, so that's what the point is. Cutting jagged as usual because we want that lace to blend. We want it to give what lace? All scalp. And then I use a little bit of spray on my edge brush just to put the lace back down where I cut it up. And I put that elastic band back on. Usually this would be while I style the unit for real, but the wig came pre-styled. I love that about this wig. Like, there's really very little to no work involved in this unit. So now I'm just combing it out and, you know, just customizing it to fit what I would like to see because everybody got different head shapes. I wanted it to give some volume and, you know, a little bit of movement. Y'all know how I like my wigs. And then I did feel like I just wanted to pluck it just a little bit more so more of my scalp would be peeking through to make it look more, you know, real. I used the lace spray as hairspray to set my little, you know, swoop up a little bit. And it was looking good. This is how it came as is without me doing too much. But you of course, you already know I would do too much. So I added in some layers all throughout the wig. It already had a few layers, but I wanted some more because I wanted the hair to like really like bounce and flow. I wasn't really feeling the way that the shape was sitting on me as is. And sometimes you might have to do that. Like, you know, wigs are not completely universal. You're going to have to customize it sometimes to fit you and your face and all that, especially with a bob.
Ben? Hi, Ben. That's cute. I like it. You colored yourself? No, it came this way. The layers for me did what it needed to do. I wanted to take some of that dip out, kind of where the hair was flat and then it goes into the curls. It was dipping a little too much for me. Maybe that's just me being picky. I don't know, but I like how it turned out. It made it really work for me and, you know, get the style how I wanted it to look on my head. LuvMe Hair, like, they don't let me down, so it was amazing, but I knew it was gonna be nothing less. Of course, the hair is amazing quality. The lace is always amazing quality. Honestly, what lace? This is my hair. I just did a silk press. If you're interested in the unit, of course, it is down in the description box below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. If you don't put up a fight, you don't know what love is. If you don't